Alright guys, Janet with Strange RV Tours. We're at Johnny's RV Resort and it's been great. We planned on staying 3 nights and we're staying longer. So it's $20 a night with Passport America. And let me show you around. Okay, as you can see, you guys, we are on Highway 90, right off the 10, 2 miles off the 10, in Theodore, Alabama. And this is the entrance, and this is the restaurant that's not open. But it's been pretty nice here. They have 200 RV spots, a couple cabins, and propane also, and a laundry facility. Let me take you over there. But personnel's been great. We had intended on leaving tomorrow, but we're not leaving until Tuesday. They're probably trying to get my microwave convection oven repaired. That's why we're staying, but also there's stuff around here to do. But everything, big lots of trees. This is the laundry. Everything's got a code. Let me see. There we go. Couldn't do it left-handed, I guess. Yeah. Well, they have 3 washers working. Looks like all the dryers are working. $2 to wash, $1.50 to dry. And I don't know what's in the closet. Oh, water heater. But hanging rack, it's clean. So far, so good. I'll be doing laundry later. I'll pack it up in the car and drive up here. But this has been pleasant with the weather. Cooler at night, but let's take a walk. Okay, yeah, we're right down here. We're in space 98. There's the bathhouse. Somebody was in there, so I didn't say anything, but nice, clean, tiled. But yeah, we even have a little patio table. The tree trimmers are here, making sure everybody has clearance. Lots of kids and puppies. I saw a kitty cat running around. But I'm gonna take you on down because they have a beautiful pond. Beautiful pond, and we're allowed to fish if we want to. And I just gave my worms away at the last place. You know, so I'll have to use hot dogs or something. Anyway. Which is neat. You don't see that very often. Little barbecue pit. Yeah. It goes to 6 feet. Looks like it's in pretty good shape too. 6 feet, 18 inches. Good sized pool. And this park goes way on back over here. Yeah, this at the end of the lake here. It's lovely. No wind, calm. They've got 5 cabins up here. It's pretty cool. And then they have another couple over here too. I thought they only had a couple, but looks like they have like 7 cabins. It's pretty cool. Yeah, the duckies just hanging out. This is so relaxing. There's a big dock down at the other end there. See another picnic table. Oh, yeah. Another dock. There's on the other side. That's supposed to be a great walking trail. Little docks all over. Fishing piers, whatever you want to call them. It's awesome. Yeah. Looks like somebody's staying in one of those. There's a kitty cat. That's the one I saw earlier by our place. Way over there by that one. Running around. Feral cats. Mousers. They're good to have sometimes. Have those kitties around. Guess there's storage up here. Yeah, that goes to a whole nother section over there with those cabins. Here's the other cabins over here. Little air unit. There's that kitty cat. That's a fat one. All right. Well, guys, I guess that's it. You know, one shower room and bathrooms. It has like 4 showers, and then the laundry room. But oh, there's 2 more. My goodness, they're having a good time. Look at them. There they go. But yeah, see that beach entry? That's nice. During the summer, you can lay out in the shallows. Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like. If you like what we do and all the places we go and, you know, the crazy stuff we do, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And if you could, please share. That helps a lot, actually. We've figured that out. Anyway, take it easy. Bye.